So today I'm going to show you how you can add a thumbnail in your YouTube video, or how you can change your thumbnail on your YouTube video. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to come to your Play Store. Come to your Play Store here and write YouTube Studio. Write YouTube Studio and install on your phone. Just install on your phone. Now that our YouTube Studio has been installed, you press open and you start. Let me show you. On your phone, you will look for the app on your phone, and this is the app on my phone. This is the app on my phone, and you click on it. Just click on it. Here, the next thing to do is to go to this three. You can see this three line at your left hand. You can see it at the very top here. You click on it, and the next thing you need to do is to press video. Click on video. Press on video. You press on video, and now it will take you down here. And now you need to choose any of the video you want to change the thumbnail. Once you are here, you choose a video you want to change the thumbnail, or you want to add a thumbnail. Is the same thing. So, and you click on it. You can see this pencil. You click on the pencil here, and you can see the pencil again. After clicking it at the first time, you click it again, and then you come to change here. Or if you want to add it new, this is the same place you need to come. Just click on change, and it will direct you into your phone, and you can select your thumbnail you have prepared already on your phone. So I have selected that, and you come at the top here and press select. Now it has been selected. You just save. Now I have saved the thumbnail. It has been saved now. So I want to restore my thumbnail back on my video. It's the same step we have just did now. Click on any video you want. Press on the edit the pencil and press it again, and press change, and you select and save. Yeah, that is how you can change your thumbnail on your Android phone. But there is another way you can do that. The first thing you need to do is to search for YouTube your YouTube app on your phone. This is my YouTube app. You can see it. You can see my YouTube app here. You press on it and disable. You disable it, and you press disable. You can see disable here. Press it, and you go back to any of your browser on your phone, and you write www.youtube.com, and at the very top here, there's 3 dots. At the very dot, you can see the 3 dots. You press on that dot, and you come down here at this desktop site. You press on that, and your phone will come in the form of a laptop now, because this is in the form of laptop, or as if you are working on your desktop. So you can see the icon here at the right hand at the top where I'm touching. You click the icon, and you can see your channel, pay membership, and YouTube Studio. Just press on YouTube Studio. This is the same way you can do that on your laptop or on your desktop. And here you come to the video. You can see, you click on the video, you press on the video, and this is our video here. So you select a video you want to change the thumbnail. So you select a video you want to change the thumbnail. So I select this video, and this is the video. You can see the video here. So on your video here, there's 3 dots. We cannot see the 3 dots very well, but this place I'm touching, there's 3 dots there. Just click at the place. You can see the 3 dots, and you click the 3 dots, and it said change. And you press on the thumbnail you have prepared on your phone already. Now it has been changed.